Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start Unit 6, Triangle and its properties. Before we start, let us discuss what we have learnt about triangles till now. If I draw a three-sided closed figure, it is called a triangle. And we have already studied this in class 6, that triangle is a polygon. Now what is a polygon? Polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments, made up of 3 line segments. So triangle is a polygon made up of 3 line segments. These are the 3 vertices of the triangle. If I want to name this triangle can be named in 6 different ways. Triangle ABC, triangle ACB, triangle BCA, triangle BAC, triangle CAB and triangle CBA. So in 6 different ways it can be named, and this triangle has got 6 elements. The triangle has got 3 sides. Now what are these 3 sides? The first side is AB. These all are line segments. AC and BC. There are 3 sides. Then there are 3 angles. And what are these angles? This angle is termed as angle BAC, or it can be written as CAB. Why the same thing? Angle BAC. Let us name this angle ABC, and angle ACB. And this triangle has been formed by joining 3 vertices. Vertices means the corners, and these are A, B and C. So a triangle has got 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. First we are going to study about the exterior angle property of a triangle. For that we need to understand what is meant by exterior angle. Now there are 3 sides which make up this triangle. If I extend any one of the side, then this type of angle which is formed is known as the exterior angle. Similarly, this can also be extended, then this is the exterior angle. And if I extend this side, then this is also the exterior angle of the triangle. So we are going to study about the exterior angle property of a triangle, and this property says that the exterior angle is equal to of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Now what is meant by this interior opposite angles? This is the exterior angle, and leave this angle which is adjacent to this, leave this angle, whatever these 2 angles are these, then we can say that this angle is equal to sum of these 2 angles, or I should say that angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Now let us prove how do we get that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. For proving this, we are going to draw a line parallel to this side of the triangle. Let us draw a line parallel to this side. Now let me say this is angle X and this is angle Y. Now whenever 2 lines parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then what types of angles are these? These are alternate exterior and these are alternate interior angles. So these are alternate angles and these are equal because lines are parallel. So we can write that angle 1 is equal to angle X. And whenever 2 lines are cut by transversal, then what types of angles are these? These are corresponding. So angle 2 and angle Y are on the same side and same position, so these are corresponding angles. If I together take this angle x and y, then it was my angle 3. If I add this and take this complete angle, angle x plus angle y is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Now angle x plus y was my angle 3. So angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. So we can say that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles.